Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will going to show you how to reset your Wix website to start over. Let's dive right in. First, go to your Wix dashboard. From here, head over to settings. You can see here it is. Once in the settings, click on website settings. Here is the website settings. Now you will see, click on navigate history and you can see restore versions app here, restore version options. You can see the list you want to go. Click the arrow button to see the most recent version on your site. Here, click on it. And after that, click on restore. Now scroll down to find the restore button. Here, click on it. Now you will see the default version of your site. Click on the restore button again to continue and confirm. This will restore your website to its basic settings. That's it. Your Wix site is now reset to its basic setting. I hope this video helped you reset your Wix website. If it did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.